To create a wallet with Trust Wallet, start by downloading and installing the Trust Wallet app from the official website or your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a New Wallet. You will be presented with the option to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. To create a new wallet, click on Create a New Wallet and you will be asked to create a 6-digit passcode. This passcode will be used to secure your wallet and protect your funds. So make sure to choose a passcode that is unique and not easily guessable. After creating your passcode, you will be presented with a seed phrase. This seed phrase is a list of 12 words that will be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to write down the seed phrase and store it in a safe place, as it is the only way to restore your wallet if you forget your passcode or lose your device. Once you have created your wallet and secured it with a passcode and seed phrase, you will be taken to the main wallet interface. From here, you can view your account balance, send and receive cryptocurrency, and access other features such as staking and trading. It is essential to note that Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning that you are in control of your private keys and your funds are stored on the blockchain. This provides an additional layer of security, as your funds are not stored on a centralized server that can be hacked or compromised. Best practices for using Trust Wallet include always keeping your passcode and seed phrase secure, never sharing your seed phrase with anyone, and regularly backing up your wallet to prevent loss of funds. Additionally, make sure to only download the Trust Wallet app from the official website or your device's app store, as fake versions of the app may be available that can steal your funds. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and reliable wallet with Trust Wallet and start using cryptocurrency today.